how to play the corinding bamboo jaw harp. This one is made from a single strip of bamboo. This part that's sticking out is known as the mouth reed. The way it's actually played is this part here will actually go inside your mouth, and then you would use syllables to shape the sound. At the back, you'll actually notice that there's a square. This is like a guide for you to know where to put your mouth. The first thing we need to do is hold it comfortably. I like to hold this part with my pointer finger and my thumb, and then this part you can pluck it with your thumb or your pointer finger. If we get into position, we want to put our mouth over the bamboo in the right area, and then we want to tilt our mouth slightly this way so that the bamboo here doesn't hit the side of our mouth or it will dampen the sound. So this is how it sounds. Now, if we add the syllables to it, A, E, I, O, U, each one will produce a different sound. Keep practicing that, change the order, and you can create your own sounds. This is the NCAS jaw harp, and inside there are 2 bamboo jaw harps. This is the portion here where we're going to put our mouth over, and we'll see how it sounds. And the other one. So we have a bass harp and a higher pitched harp. Anyway, if you want to check out these instruments, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.